Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to bring you something that will motivate your future architect. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma. In here I like to talk anything that has to do with homeschool, sprinkle a little bit of motherhood and lifestyle. Today I want to bring you something that will motivate your future architect. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do it. Click that notification bell so you don't miss every time I upload a video. As well, I would like to invite you to my Instagram page. In there is where I post everything we do in our homeschool. If you're new, that is the place to visit. If you are looking for ideas, that's a good place to get them. But today I want to bring you something that will motivate your future architect. If your kid is interested in architectural building, making cities and roads, all of that, I bring this kit, this STEM kit for you guys. It's a good idea. This kit was given by his grandmother, and for some reason, I don't know why I didn't share this before. I think it was the fact that I was looking for a book that will go very well with this STEM kit, and I just found it, and I will be sharing with you guys pictures of that book. I don't have it with me yet, but I hope I can get it soon so I can just give you those, flip through the pages to you guys. But today I want to show you this STEM kit as well as pictures of this book that I already ordered for my kid. This STEM kit, I just want to warn you, it's a little bit on the level up. If your kid likes to do and build with their Legos, this is a little bit on the level up. This is actually what the architects use to create models. And I think it's a good idea if your kid is interested in architecture and you want to keep motivating that love for architectural. I can tell you it's a little bit pricey, so I will leave that link in the description box for you guys to check it out. But I just want to warn you that it is a little bit pricey because it's what the architects actually use when they are going to create a model as well. So let me just grab the STEM kit and let me just show it to you guys. Okay guys, so here I have our STEM kit, and this is Arckit. It has 160 plus pieces, age 10 and up. That's a good thing to know, is 10 and up. That's why I expressed earlier that it's a little bit on the level up. If your kid likes to be building with their Legos, this is a little bit more complicated. If they are younger than 10, I think they are going to be needing a little bit of a help. My son is a little bit older and he still needed a little bit of help with some of the pieces. I just want to let you know that. But this is the STEM kit. This is how it looks on the back, and in here it has some of the ideas that they can do with this STEM kit. There are different STEM kits that you can look for, but we chose this one and his grandma purchased this for him. It's the Architectural Model Building Design Tool, and it's this whole kit in here. It says Arckit lets you instantly explore and visualize your ideas, create stunning realistic models, build without boundaries. And that is actually true, because my son not only has created already these models in here, but he has created his own with these pieces, and it's been awesome. I will leave you some pictures right here. But it's been working very well for us. And let me just show you some of the pieces. I have something that he created here and that we just took it apart, but we have a little bit of a piece in here. And you can see the door, the entrances, the windows, some of the walls, which are glass. Make-believe glass, I should say that. I should explain that. This is actually, this is actually plastic. As well, it comes with the stickers if they want to create a pool. This is the floor, walls or floors, solar panels, grass, roof. And in here, it comes with a little view of what they can do with a little plan that they can follow, instructions to create the models that they have here in the picture. I think if your kid is interested in architecture, this is a good thing to have. I know it's a little bit pricey, but reality is if your kid is a little bit older and they want something a little bit, grown up, besides just building Legos, this is a good thing to have and to keep motivating to go in that line when it comes to architecture. As well, I found this book that I want to share with you guys that is being so awesome. I am very happy that I actually found this book. But this book is Architecture for Kids. It's a skill building activities for future architects. And I am very happy because it is for ages 8 till 12. And I like this book. I think even an older kid can benefit from this book. And is explore buildings design and more with on and off the page activities. Develop architecture skills with activities like drawing a city, street, and designing a fort for your bedroom. An overview of architecture. Learn the most important architecture terms, some of the history of architecture, and why buildings look different in different parts of the world. Sketches you can keep. By drawing in this book, you'll create your first collection of architectural sketches and ideas that you can save and look back on. Building basics. The Architecture for Kids offers building basics. Learn about what distinguishes different kinds of buildings and see examples of architecture from around the world and throughout history. Fun activities. Try interactive exercises like planning a lush green roof or drawing your dream bedroom so you can practice thinking like an architect. Your first portfolio. Write and draw directly on the pages, creating an archive of your own architectural designs. Get excited about how buildings come to be with a book full of facts and activities about architecture for kids. And this book was actually made by an architect, and I am very excited. I can't wait. I think it was a good idea for me to purchase that book, and once I have it in my hands, I will give you a flip through the pages. But as of right now, I just want to show you that picture, share what I've been doing with my kid and what we've been enjoying, which is this STEM kit. He has created his own things with this kit. I will leave you pictures right here so you guys can see them. I hope you guys enjoy this information. If you did, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any other questions, don't forget to leave them down below. I will see you then. Bye-bye.